Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel guys. Guess what it is? So this is my magnifying glass. So actually this is a lampshade. This is a foldable lampshade with magnifying glass. This is what I use when I can't see those tiny letters that is not visible for my eye. So look at this, is a magnifying glass, right? It's huge already. This one is the more powerful. I can say this is a powerful magnifying area here, because when you see from here, it is a more bigger than this area. So I use this one when I'm in a live stream, that those letters and emojis that I can't see. I am going to clean now this one because it is so dirty already, and it's been a long time that I didn't use this one, guys. So I'm gonna clean this one because I'm gonna use this, and my eyeglass is not working properly right now. So I'm gonna use alcohol for cleaning, and tissue paper. There's a tissue paper for cleaning my magnifying glass here, and a lampshade at the same time. There's a lampshade at the same time, and I will show you guys the back of it. The back of it, it has a fluorescent, round fluorescent, but it's already dirty because I didn't use this for a long time. So I'm gonna replace maybe the fluorescent. I'm gonna replace that and buy a new one. So guys, I'm gonna use this one, and this is so useful for me. That's why I'm going to clean up this magnifying glass. Okay, so let's start.